Obas, and welcome back. You're with Jack the Greek, and it's a special day today, and surely you can tell by the flags that I have on my cooking table, it is Australia Day. And we're going to have and celebrate today, Australia Day, with some beautiful lamb cutlets. And of course, being Australia Day, we're going to have a beer. But being Jack the Greek, it's got to be Mythos. Opa. We're ready now to put it into the CrossRay BBQ. We've warmed up our CrossRay BBQ. We've got all 4 burners on low, and it's sitting at about 250 to 300 degrees. With our lamb cutlets, they are only small, and you don't want to overcook them or dry them out. So we are going to use the CrossRay BBQ's bottom grill, but we're going to make sure that all our 4 burners are on low. Let's take out our little flags, put them to the side, and let's put them in. I've got a couple of kilos here, just to plate up on 2 different ways. And I'll show you that once we're done. But for now, we'll put them on. These won't take longer than a couple of minutes either side to cook. Just like this. And with the CrossRay BBQ, because it's got all the even cooking all over the grill, from the back to the front, left and right, I'm not really worried where I put the lamb cutlets because they'll all cook evenly. That's thanks to the CrossRay technology that allows the cooking all over the CrossRay BBQ in an even way, all the way through to the ends, just like that. Oh, and the last one, we'll just put it there. We'll leave it open. We don't need to cover this one. A couple of minutes, we'll turn them over, and then they're ready to go. Hoppa. Okay, it's been around a couple of minutes now. Let's turn over our beautiful cutlets. And as you can see, only one turn. We don't sit here over our barbecue and turn our meat 100 times. Cook it on one side for 2 minutes, turn it over, and cook it again. And as you can see, as long as I'm turning them, doesn't matter where I'm turning them from on the grill, they're all roughly cooked at the same level. Fantastic. And that's due to the technology of the CrossRay BBQ and its ability to heat up and cook evenly anywhere on the grill. We'll give that another minute, and then we'll plate it up. Opa. Oh, here we go, we're back. It's been 4 minutes, nearly 5. Our beautiful cutlets are ready to cook. And as you can see, we're ready to plate up. On this side here, we're just gonna plate them up with a little bit of lemon. And on this side here, a little bit more traditional Greek with a bit of salad, tomatoes, and some feta. Get ready for this. So what we'll do is, we'll grab our little bit of our piece of beef here. Beautiful, just like that. And what we'll do is we'll put them here, just like that. Now with the others, we'll come back here and just set them up. So we'll plate them up just like this. And it is again Australia Day. And what other better way to celebrate it with some beautiful lamb cutlets straight from Preston Market. Opa. Just like that. Just there. These ones here, we'll put here. Opa. This is the Mediterranean version of Australia Day. This is the Aussie version of Australia Day. We'll put that there, just like that. One more there. We'll grab a couple more. Just put them on top. Opa. Just like that. And as you can see, they've all cooked evenly. Beautiful. Opa. Couple more. Just like that. We'll turn up our CrossRay BBQ. Like that. We'll put the lid down and let's finish plating up. You reckon we can fit him here? I think we can. Let's squeeze him in where we can. There's some beautiful cutlets. We don't want to leave any behind. Just like that. Put him in. One more there. Just like that. And that little one, we'll just put here, right at the back of us. Now, with this one, a bit of a lemon, just like that, straight on top. That will do. And over here, just with your hands, break up some feta, just like that around. Just like that. Beautiful, beautiful. Around the edges, like that. Opa. Just like that. Put that on the side, wipe our hands, put our tray under here. And here we are one more thing left to do. It's crack a beer, just like that, on Australia Day. Mythos, being Jack the Greek. Here we are, to everyone out there. Beautiful. 2 meals within 10 minutes on Australia Day to complement any barbecue. Mediterranean style cutlets, traditional cutlets with some lemon and herbs and spices. Opa, from Jack the Greek, happy Australia Day. Ah, beautiful.